Alright, people. Let's go. Let's let's go. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Me confused. I am confused as fuck. Yes, a 1-1. Okay, calm down. A 1-1. Okay, but that should have been an indirect free kick or a penalty. Him kick up the ball in the ear, he flick up, nobody no touch it, he bunks, and him catch it back, and that's enough. The bumbuckler man nigga score. No, the fucking man nigga score. No, at 2-1. But still not understand how the fuck is that not a penalty. If you get a red card, if you get a fucking red card for that. How the man kick up the ball out of here and fuck. This game ended 2-1. This game ended 2-1. Help me understand. Manchester United was shit the whole game. You understand? Manchester United has been shit the whole game. 1 week them good, next week them shit. It's just shit good. Yeah. But tell me how Mangala kick the ball, get Turner. Turner kick up the ball in fucking ear. No one will touch it and him catch the fucking ball, and that is not a penalty. That is not a red card. What the fuck are we doing, VAR? What the fuck are we doing? I thought because when the former goalkeeper pass the Sky when one name Bumber Scott Schmeichel, when him always kick up the ball and catch it, them stop that from happening and say if you play ball with the keeper, him can't touch it. How the fuck him pick up the ball and here and catch it? I don't call a penalty. I red card if you bumbuckler get. Fuck!